Welcome. Today I am with Sony WI-C200 wireless earphones, and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Android smartphone. So at the first, just remember to charge them at least to the 50% before pairing. So the first step, we have to completely power off our device, and then you have to click and hold this power button, this one, until this indicator starts blinking quickly, and also you will hear and the earphones notification that the pairing mode is activated. So let's make it right now. Click and hold the power button. Keep holding. As you can see right now it starts blinking, so it means that we can finally release the button and simply open the Bluetooth settings on our phone. So we can make it by using this standard settings, select to pair new device, and right now just take a look for available devices list. As you can see, after a few seconds our earphones are on the list, so we can simply tap on them once, accept the pairing request, and as you can see, after a few seconds we are successfully connected. So that's how we can make it step by step. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.